In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make the best, the greatest fruit salad ever. I know this because many people tell me. Hi, I'm Vaughn Wolf and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about practicing yoga, we talk about growing and maintaining a vegetable and fruit garden. We also talk about cooking vegan recipes. If that's the sort of thing that you're into because you like a healthy life, then subscribe to this channel so we can bring you more. So when it comes to making a fruit salad, the fruits that I'm going to share with you are ones that are available to me in my area. Currently I'm in India, so you can see that these fruit look a little bit different, like that watermelon. You're not going to find a watermelon looking like that in the US, 100% guaranteed. But that's a watermelon, that's how they all are out here in India. But the important thing is to use fruits that you like. I like to use melon, but my girlfriend's allergic to cantaloupe, honeydews, stuff like that. So I leave that out of the fruit salad, but when she's not around, 100% putting it in. So find good fruit that you like and put that in there. Here, we're using watermelon, we're using pineapple, we're using grapes, apples. I have some pomegranate to go in this, and coconut. You're gonna wanna get this all diced up to about bite size. That coconut is gonna be freshly shredded and it's gonna be a nice topping to the fruit salad. Once you got everything all chopped up, diced, nice and neat bite size, you're gonna wanna mix it up into a bowl. Now, try to keep the ratios even amongst everything. What I mean by that is don't have like watermelon dominate, you know, just keep that off to the side in the fridge and you can use it later or just eat it by itself. Once you got it all into a bowl, just top it off with some granola. This is some high quality granola that I found at an organic store here in India. And then you're gonna add this date syrup, which is the secret ingredient. Now, if you don't have date syrup, you can use maple syrup or your favorite sweetener. All right, now take a look at that. That by itself looks beautiful. That's a delicious fruit salad right there. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's delicious. But we can make it better. Remember that coconut? Well, we just shredded it up. Freshly grated coconut. This is truly the icing on the cake. And it looks great. Not only does it taste terrific, but it looks great. This is by far one of the greatest fruit salads that you're going to be able to enjoy. I picked this recipe up in India when I was in Rishikesh. They were making a fruit salad similar to this, and I loved it so much that I went back the next day and I ordered it again, and I started picking it apart and looking at all the ingredients that were in the fruit salad, and I just had to replicate this. So I've been making this same fruit salad for the last 2 to 3 years. 3 years actually. And I bring it to these potlucks and you know, people enjoy it. They really love this fruit salad and everybody's always asking me for the recipe. So I thought I'd share it with you. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video with me. If you're into a healthy lifestyle, if you're into yoga, if you're into gardening and growing and cooking your own food and vegan recipes, then subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next one.